To our freshmen and transferees, welcome to Lorma Colleges. Thank you for choosing to be a Normanian. Your school, Lorma Colleges, has several or a myriad of support systems that are ready to serve you, whether it be academic or non-academic. So if there is any service that you can think of that is not yet offered, please let me know.